Do you know what is the noun? Come on, I'll teach you with the help of model. So friends, these are nouns. A noun is a naming word,
Yes.
name of people, place, animal or thing. Are called naming words. Nouns are 4 types. People, thing, place and animal. These are nouns. Brother, sister, mom, your dad and teacher. Is your pupil noun. Thing, table, ball, chair, bag, book. These are things. Place is home, office, Taj Mahal, grocery, cinema. These are place nouns. Animals is elephant, tiger, butterfly, rabbit and fly. Animal nouns. You know what nouns are? Learning with me. Don't forget everything has a name. That name is noun. Okay friends, meet up after some time. Bye.